Hey everyone.
Hello everyone, hello,
Hi.
Hello, sir.
Hi, good evening.
hello, good evening.
Good morning, good evening.
Can you hear my voice clearly?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
And
sir.
can you see the screen?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Okay, very good. Let's wait for a couple minutes to everyone join.
Hey, mate.
Hello, hello.
Uh, is it fine if I ask you a question about the last topic, the S and I?
Yes?
So I have a I have a little bit of uh, question on the. We have the horizontal line, and
Okay,
we also have the trend line.
okay.
Uh, I have a difficult sometimes to identify which one I should be used at the time to place my order.
Okay.
Let's say
In the
sometimes
same
you have
place, at the same point, you have both horizontal level and trend line.
right, but let's say the trend line goes a little bit more deep. You still have a little gap between.
Okay.
So do you mind like just get a little bit into it and tell how you analyze which you want to use at that moment when you
It
get
is
those two
different on
products?
market condition. It is in uptrend, it was uptrend or ranging. What kind of market? Do one thing.
What
Take
do you
a
mean?
take a screenshot, okay, and send it in personal
Uh,
chat for me. And after the class, I will explain you. Okay?
Okay, that's fine.
Okay, okay.
You have a perfect example on your last YouTube video that you have a horizontal line and a trend
Yes,
line, and you
yes.
decide to take the trend line.
Okay, send me the screenshot. I will explain you. Okay?
Yeah, that's
Bro,
fine.
bro, I have one question.
Yes.
Uh, the past, how, what is the time past I can take the level past time for stability of the strong of the level to measure the strongest of the level. Past means 2 hours, 3 hours, or only 1 hours check. I'm not clear on English.
Yes.
Okay.
I think I understand. You mean when you want to check the past, how much deep you
Ah,
need to go the past, right?
right, right, right,
Yes, sir,
sir.
you are
Right.
right.
Yes,
Thank
yes,
you.
yes. Look, no need to go very fast. Okay, if you have some reversal, it's okay. If you don't have, just leave the level and change the chart.
Uh,
Okay, no need to go very, very fast to find the reversal. Okay, leave it.
Thank you, thank you.
You're welcome.
Understand. Clear.
Okay, Rajesh asked, what is today topic? It is about trading in ranging market with SNR levels. Okay, so if you are ready, please mute your mic and let's start today class. Okay. Okay, so in the previous class, we talked about the SNR, right? Okay, let me show you again. Okay, so we had the horizontal level, we had the trend line. With the two entry points, we can draw a trend line, and we had the round numbers. The price end with 0, 1, 2, 3, or more. Round number, and we need to check the round number in the past. We need to check all of them in the past to see how strong the level, and the sign that level is strong was the level reversed the market so many times, the level start a momentum, and the level make a very long and strong candle. Okay, so today class is about how to trade in the ranging market with SNR. And as we all know, the ranging market and the trendy market are different. So let me show you an example here. You can see this is a ranging market. Ranging market means the market don't go anywhere. Okay, it don't have any direction. You can see it stick on these two lines. You can see it didn't go anywhere, it just moved between these two lines. But what is the trendy market? Let me show you here. You can see the trendy market, it go in one direction, up or down. Here you can see it is going up. So this is a uptrend. This is a trendy market. And also we have the downtrend. Here you can see this is a downtrend market. As you all can say, this is a trendy market and the market goes down. So these two are different. Ranging market, this one you can see it going nowhere, it just moved between these two lines. This is a ranging market. And we have trendy market like this one, a downtrend, like this one, a uptrend. You can see it's going to one direction. Okay, so today we want to talk about how to trade with SNR in ranging market. We are trading with SNR, not predicting the market. We conform our trade with SNR. Okay, so let me show you. Okay, so here, as you can see, I took this picture from a ranging market. Today class is about how to trade in ranging market, and tomorrow class is about how to trade in trendy market with SNR. Okay, so today is only about ranging, and this pic I took from a ranging market. Okay, so let's draw the levels here. You can see here there is a level, right? Why? Because you can see the market tried to go up, the sellers enter, the market reverse here, and it is a seller's entry, so this is a resistance level. Okay, let's draw other levels here. You can see this is also a level. The market tried to go down, again a buyer's entry, and because the buyers enter from this level, this is a support level. And again here there is also a level. Okay, you can see the market reverse here, and you can see the buyers enter from this level, so this is a support level. Okay, so today we want to see how we can trade with SNR in ranging market. So we just trade when the market close at the level. Okay, so here you can see the market close here. This is the market closing point, right? We already draw our levels, the levels that we are seeing. It is this one, a resistance, a support level here, and a support level here. You can see this candle close in the middle. We don't know, maybe in the past here it may be a resistance here and the sellers may enter, but here we can see the next level is here. There is a gap, right? As we all know, the market will fill the gaps, so here the buyers can enter and they can continue to this level, this resistance. So here it is 50-50 chance. We don't know what will happen because this candle, this one, close in the middle. Maybe there is a resistance, maybe there is not, and the market continue. So we don't know it will continue or it will reverse. So we need to wait. Always remember this, you don't have to trade every candle. Wait for the right opportunity and conform your trade with a strong SNR. Then you can get very good result. Okay, so here we need to wait. We don't know, so let's see the next candle. Okay, so now what about this one? Let's draw our level. There is a support level, right? We already know, but still there is a gap, right? But we know about the trend line. Trend line is also a SNR level. You can see here there is a buyer's entry, there is a buyer's entry. As I told you, with the 2 entry points you can draw a trend line, and it will give you the third, fourth entry point when the market in the future come back on the trend line. So here the market come back, it close at the level, there is a rejection. The rejection shows us that the buyers are interested. This rejection shows us the buyers are interested here and they can enter easily. So we have a level, this trend line. We are seeing strong buyers here. They enter from this trend line. Here you can see again a strong buyers entry. We can see the market close at the level. You can see here the market close at the level, there is a rejection from the buyers. So here we can trust and we can place a higher option here. So this is a good trade. This one you can trust and we can expect a buyer's entry, and we are searching for this kind of trades. Okay, so let's see the next candle. Okay, this is a buyer's entry, but I need to mention a point here. You can see this one. This candle close at the level. This is a level, right? We can expect a buyer's entry, but if you see the opening price of this candle, the candle open here with a gap. So this candle open below the level. So now we cannot trust this candle be a bullish or bearish. So always watch this one. You draw this level here and you are waiting for a buyer's entry, right? If the candle open here above the level, so this is right, you can easily place a higher option and the market will close as a bullish 85, more than 85%, okay? But here the market open here below the level, so here we cannot trust. Here the sellers can enter also, the buyers can enter also. So always be aware about this point. When the market open below your support level or above your resistance level, leave the trade. Here the sellers can enter also, but here the buyers enter. So this is also a 50-50 chance because the market open below the level. So when you saw this opening point, you just leave the trade. Don't place your trade because it is risky. The market can go anywhere. Okay, so with this opening price, we leave this trade also. With waiting, you will get opportunity. Don't jump in any trade. Wait, okay? So let's wait and see the next candle. Okay, so this is a bullish candle. Let me show you the level. Okay, so now again you can see the levels are here. Okay, so we don't know here. This is in the middle, so we need to wait. So let's see the next candle here. Okay, this one. Let me draw. Here you can see it give us 2 entry points, right? So it is a trend line. Now we can draw a trend line with these 2 entry points. So in the future, if the market come back here and close at the level, then we can trust and we can go for a lower option. Okay, but here you can see this candle, this green candle broke this level, so we cannot trust this level anymore. And let me draw this one. Okay, here also there is a level, but you are seeing still there is a small gap. If you see the past of the market, you can see it making also weak candle. So here it is risky. It is not exactly close at the level. You can see this one exactly close at the level. but here you can see there is still a gap here. So here we cannot trust also exactly when we are seeing the market making this kind of candles. This one you can see the market can easily make a small bullish candle here on this gap. Okay, so here also we need to wait. Okay, you can see here there is a bullish candle, and also you can see here this candle open here, this opening price. So if this candle also close at the level with this opening price, we cannot trust this trade. We need to wait the market hit the level and then we open our trade, because this gap, this opening gap. Okay, so here you can see it broke this level. This green candle broke this level, and also you can see, so there is no resistance level here. We have one resistance level here. The market already broke here. You can see this a small breakout. It is also a breakout. So the market broke this level and we don't have any level. We need to wait. Okay, here you can see now the market give us a clear shot. So you can see with waiting, we wait here for 5 minutes, I think. Yes, for 5 minutes we wait, but we didn't waste our money. We didn't risk. We wait for a short shot here. Okay, so that's why I'm always saying wait. The market will give you opportunity. You just need to wait for that. So here you can see this is a resistance level. We are seeing a strong sellers here. You can see this is also a momentum. This level make a momentum here. So this is a resistance, a strong resistance, and this is also a ranging market. We know already. So here we can expect a seller's entry, because you can see the candle close exactly at the level. Okay, so there is no gap and there is very strong rejection from the sellers. It means the sellers are interested here and they want to enter. So now we can easily place a lower option here. Okay, so that's why I'm telling wait for a right opportunity. Okay, let's see the next candle. Okay, you can see how strong the sellers enter, because this is a very strong level. The sellers enter confidently here. Okay, so what will be the next candle? Let's draw a level. Here you can see there is, okay, let me draw clearly. Here you can see there is a level, right? We can see here a strong buyers, again a momentum here. So it means this level is strong, and this is a ranging market. So what we can expect here? Okay, please tell me one by one. We can place a higher option, lower option, or avoid this trade.
High option.
Yes?
High option.
Why?
Because it's in
The lower option.
in
Lower
the
op-
area of bullish
Okay, so
bullish area,
yes, very good.
and
Yes,
uh, one, with one candle it can't break a momentum, so it will
yes, very
anyway
good.
it will make a retracement candle.
Yes, yes, very good. Okay,
I'm not sure if it went down enough to place a higher option. Maybe you should wait for one more red candle
okay,
and then place a call because of this bottle here.
Okay. So
I would go with the higher option as well.
yes, why?
Um, so because we have a support level here, and
Yes.
it comes with a momentum,
Nice.
strong candle, sign of reversal as well.
Nice.
Yeah,
Okay.
that that my interpretation.
So you will place a higher option, right?
Yes, I do.
Okay, very good.
Still there is a gap pattern.
This one,
Actually, gap is very low.
yes, the gap is very small. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, so very good. So let me explain. Okay, so here, as you all mentioned, there is a momentum. In the future class, I will also mention this point. One candle cannot stop this force. Okay, at least we can expect a bullish retracement candle, and if this candle be weak again, they can continue to go down. But here, one single candle cannot stop this bullish momentum, so we can expect a retracement candle. And also, this is very long candle. A very long candle is sign of reversal, so we can expect a reversal. Okay. Okay, so here you can see the market also close at this level. This is a level, right? So as I told you, in the ranging market we can trust this level, and also this is a strong level. We already see a strong momentum from this level. So here we can go with the buyers because we have so many reasons to go with buyers, right? One candle cannot stop this force, a strong candle sign of reversal, and there is a strong level. So we can trust and we can place a higher option here. Okay, so what about the next candle? Let me draw the levels. Okay, as I told you, here there is a level, right? Here there is a level. I told you already we have two entry points, so we can expect the third reversal when the market come back to this level. Okay, so tell me what you will place here.
Will be a bearish
A lower option?
because lower option, yeah, because
Yes.
it's a very weak bullish candle and it stopped at the resistance level, so
Right.
the market will continue to go down.
Yes. Okay, what about others?
Yes, we would
No
like to
option.
go with
Bullish.
So
Yes.
I will wait.
Wait.
I will wait. There is a 50 chance.
Yes.
There is a 50 chance. There's
So
a also trend line below the horizontal line, both in the middle position. So I will wait.
yes, if you are not sure, you can
next
wait.
candle.
Yes, you can avoid the trade. Okay, very good. Okay, what about the others? You will go with the buyers or sellers or wait? Which one?
I will wait.
Wait. Why?
Yeah, I don't know. It's for me. It's very confusing, and I've seen as well a level, and
Okay.
it closed. And I've seen as well that trend line, and it's closed exactly at that trend line. So the opening point might be above that trend line. So
Yes.
I would wait. I would wait and see.
Okay. Rajesh wrote, I will wait too. Okay. So let me explain here. As I told you, this was a momentum, right? There is a strong candle, but as I told you, one single candle cannot stop this force, so we can expect a retracement candle. And as I told you, if this candle be a weak candle, again the sellers can continue, right? And here also you can see there is a entry point, there is a trend line. Okay, so the sellers can enter here easily. There are so many reasons, and this is also a SNL level. a strong one. You can see this momentum here. You can see here seller's entry. So here we can expect a seller's entry, right? Okay, so let's see the next candle. Okay, you can see now that point that I told you. When the market open with gap above the resistance, this is the resistance, right? When it's open with gap above the resistance, just leave the trade. Okay, so it can go down, it can go up like here. So it is 50-50 chances. And after this candle, when you see this opening price, just leave the trade. If the market open here, you can expect a seller's entry here, but it open with a gap, so we cannot trust and we should wait. Okay,
Excuse me.
yes,
I have a question.
yes,
Actually, why this market jump like this? We get a
yes.
big,
I think
big
I
space.
yes, I think I took this picture from OTC market. OTC market, because it is a low volume market and there is no so much trader, it have so many gaps. Okay, so this is common in OTC market. Okay,
So you always wait for the next candle to start to place the order. You wait for a few seconds before placing it.
sorry, I didn't understand what.
Before you place your order, you always wait for the next candle to start. You wait for a few seconds and then you place the order. You never do it like the second 30.
Yeah, yes, I don't for example, it's about to close, but I don't jump into it. I wait for the opening price. Okay,
Always.
almost always, especially in OTC. OTC is, it have so many gap. Okay, so the candle can jump easily, so you need to wait for opening price
Okay.
like this. You can see if you open a lower option here, exactly when this candle about to close, you will lose. You can see this candle open here. If you open your trade here, you can see it will be a big loss.
But let's suppose sometimes when you wait, let's suppose it didn't happen. Let's suppose this green candlestick that jumped up, let's suppose it was a red one starting
Yes,
right after it was born. Isn't it a possibility to lose the trade? So you miss the trade actually?
you mean you mean the, suppose the candle open here, and when you want to trade it, go down fast, right? And
Yes.
you get a late entry.
Yeah.
Okay, so wait here. When the market go fast, you can see in my videos, when the market go very fast, I wait. Again, it may reject and go up, and then we can place our trade in the right entry point. Okay, so if you watch my video, sometimes I miss the entry points, and I say let's wait, market reject, and then I will place my trade. Okay, clear?
Yes, clear. Thanks.
Okay, you're welcome. Okay,
Bro, I have a question. I have a
yes,
question.
yes.
Here I can draw a horizontal level here. This spring top candle. And here.
Okay, draw.
Here. This at the level spring top market reverse. Then there's a chance up.
What?
This is the level, right?
Yes, this one is the level.
Level. At the level, there is a green spring top candle, right? Look like spring top candle.
Yes.
Then here we can expect a green.
A red candle.
No, red not. Green candle.
Here you mean? Here.
Here.
Because it's at the level, you mean?
Yes.
Yes,
At
it
the
is
level.
at the level, but here also we have a strong level. Okay?
Yes.
Yes.
Still, right.
Yes, it is almost at 50-50 chance, so it is not good this trades.
50
Okay.
chance, right?
Yes. Here also we have two levels, so it's better to leave it. And also it's open with a gap. Okay, so
Yeah.
let's go and see what will be the next candle here. You can see this candle close here, right? So here we are seeing a seller's entry point. This one, right? The seller's enter here. You can see the market close exactly at the level and sellers enter. So this is a resistance level. And you can see this candle close exactly at the level with very strong rejection. Okay, so what will be the next candle here?
Lower option.
Lower
Red,
option.
red.
Why?
So for the same reason, so you draw the resistance level, and the resistance level it's broke
Yes.
by that momentum, and the buyers enters back again. And also, I've seen a trending line as well. If you draw from the bottom left,
Here, here to here.
no. In the bottom left,
This
and the
one.
engulfing pattern.
Okay.
Yeah,
This one.
up to yeah.
Okay.
So we have two confirmation now, so we can go with the buyers.
Yes, yes. But there is a point. It was very good. Thank you. There is a point. You can see here we just see buyers entry from this line. Okay.
Yep.
We cannot see any sellers entry here on this line.
Okay.
Okay, so we cannot trust. If we have only this line here and we don't have this resistance, this horizontal resistance, we cannot trust this trend line. Okay, because we just see the buyers enter from this line. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Yes, so we cannot trust this one. If we see a seller's entry from this trend line, now we can trust this one easily.
Okay, gotcha.
Okay, very good. Okay, so
But sorry, I didn't
Yes.
get one of the lines I should trust. I got we can trust the trend line, but should we trust the horizontal line?
yes, we should trust this horizontal line because we are seeing a seller's entry. This is a resistance, right? We are expecting a seller's entry here. So we can't trust this horizontal level. But this trend line, we are seeing buyer's entry. We cannot expect a seller's entry here. Okay? Because
Sorry, the next line isn't it stronger than this one? Shouldn't we wait for the
this
price
one, this one, this one is a strong, right? But for the buyers, we are seeing buyer's entry, not any seller's entry.
No, I mean this yellow one I draw here.
This
The
one,
the
yes,
yeah.
yes,
Shouldn't
yes.
we wait for the price reach that point so we place a put order?
Okay, but we have a resistance level already here. Let me show you. Okay, let me clear
So,
this chart.
Yes, I see. But my point is this enough? Is strong enough to trust it to put to place a put order?
Yes, because let me tell you the reasons.
Okay.
Okay, so the first one that we can trust because you can see it touched this strong resistance. This is a strong, right? Here you can see it touched this resistance and it rejects and close below this level. So this is the first reason that we can trust. The second one, this one, it is also a resistance. The third one, I will explain you the patterns, so no need to worry, I will explain in future class. This is a head and shoulder pattern here. Some of you may know about this pattern. Okay, so if you put all of these small things together, you can see we have a strong reason to go with the sellers, right?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Okay. Gotcha.
Yes. Okay, clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Clear.
In trend line also it will showing the rejection.
What?
In trend line, with the below 2 entry points.
This one, this trend line,
Yeah,
this one.
yes, that one.
Okay.
Yeah, there is a rejection. We can trust that rejection also.
This rejection, you mean this one, this rejection?
Yeah, that rejection.
No, because the trend line didn't show us any seller's entry, okay? So we cannot trust this trend line
Okay,
for seller's entry, okay?
okay, okay,
Yes,
okay.
yes. Okay, so let's see the next candle here. Okay, you can see a seller's entry, but there is also a small point here. Let me show you. You can see it open with gap. So sometimes this is OTC, that's why we are seeing so much gap. But in the real market, we didn't see this much gaps, okay? So it's open with a gap. Sometimes in OTC, the market can again come up and make a bullish candle like this. So always be careful when you see this gap. If you want, you can leave the trade, or if you want to trade, wait the market reach again this level and open your trade at this level, okay, with marginal safety. Then the market will reject, and if it close as a bullish also, it will close as a weak bullish, and if your entry be good, you will win, okay? So be aware about this gap. That's why all the traders say the OTC market is dangerous, because of the gaps, okay? So the gaps will confuse you. So always
Does
be careful.
this thing you said about gap, like when the candlestick opens with a gap, we should wait for it to get back to the original point and then place the order. Does it applies for OTC and also regular market, for both?
Yes, for both. Yes. Yes. Wait, the market reach this level, open with marginal safety. Then it will be a safe trade. Okay? Okay, so here you can see again the market make a bearish candle. Here you can see we already know there is a level, right? So what will be the next candle here? Tell me.
Higher option.
It will be a bullish high option
Bullish. Why?
because it's close in the middle in the range area
Right.
of that resist, support area.
Yes. Right. Okay. What about others?
We have a long shadow here, pressuring
Yes,
the
yes,
price
yes.
up, and
Yes,
also
for me
the
too.
Yes.
support level.
Very
Long
nice.
shadow for me too.
Higher option, right?
Yes, yes, high option.
Yes. Very good answer. Very good. Okay, you can see here, as I told you, we are seeing a momentum from this level. This is a strong level. Again, a buyer's entry here. You can see so many buyers interested here, and as you mentioned here, you can see a very long rejection here from the buyers. It means the buyers are interested and they want to enter in the market. So here we can trust this level and we can go with the buyers here and place a higher option. Okay, let's see the next candle. Okay, so you can see a bullish candle here. Okay, so let's draw our level here. There is a trend line here. Okay, and also here you can see again we can draw a trend line here. Okay, so there is no level here. What you will do here? Higher option, lower option, or wait?
We'll wait
You will wait. Why?
because it's 50-50 chance it might give a bullish or bearish because
Okay,
there's a gap in between the resistance.
very good.
That seller's area is too far, so
Yes,
maybe
very nice, very nice. Is there someone to place a higher option or lower option?
Yeah, it's a clean shot for me to go with a higher option because I've seen the buyers entering from the trending level.
Yes.
and there is a gap. So buyers will fill this gap,
Okay,
at
it
least
is
till the.
very good answer, but we are trying to trade only with SNR, okay? We are not predicting the market.
Okay.
Okay, so if you want predict, yes, it will be a right prediction. But if you want to trade with SNR, it's better to wait, right? Because there is no SNR, there is no confirmation. The sellers can enter, the buyers can enter. Okay, so here we are trying to trade with SNR. Okay, so as you mentioned here, you can see there is no clear level, so we will wait here. Okay, so let's see the next candle. Okay, so what about this one? Okay, what you will do here?
Lower option
Why?
Or
Why?
because it's a
Lower
strong candlestick with rejection in the resistance level, strong resistance level.
resistance area, right? Yeah.
Yes. Okay, what about others?
Lower option as well.
Nice. Is there someone to place a higher option here? Okay, very good. Okay, so you can see, as you mentioned, this is a very strong level. Let me tell you a point. In a ranging market, okay, in a ranging market, these two levels are very strong. This above line is higher level here. You can see it is the above line and this below line. So these two are very strong. Okay, okay, let me draw from here because the ranging market starts here. Okay, so here, so you can see these two are very strong. If you don't trust these middle levels, wait for this one. Okay, these levels are very strong, and if the market close at this level at least for 1 minute, for above 95% the market will reverse. Okay, so if the market close here or if the market close here, it will be a short trade that the market will reverse. Okay, so if you don't trust these levels, wait for this one. These two levels are very good, the above level and the below level. Okay, so you answer very good. The market close at this strong level. We already see a strong seller and this is the above line. So we know this is a very strong level and the market close at the level. There is a rejection, right? It means the sellers are interested also. So we can expect a seller's entry here. Okay, so let's see. Okay, you can see a very strong sellers. Okay, so what about the next candle? Let me draw our levels. One level here. Okay, this one. Okay, let me draw this one. Okay, this one. As you can see, buyers entry, buyers entry, buyers entry. What will be the next candle here? Tell me.
Bias, I think,
Okay, why?
because compared to the previous bullish candle, the bearish couldn't engulf the bullish,
Yes, very good.
couldn't engulf. So I think the bullish high option they will enter in here because the momentum area is here even in the middle. So I
Yes,
will go for higher.
higher option. Okay. Okay, tell me what about others?
Me too high.
Higher option,
uh,
right?
yes.
Okay, tell me why.
In red candle, there's just some rejection and also close at the level. exactly level.
Yes, very good. Okay.
Yeah,
Also
I would.
make a high, also make a higher high.
Yes, very nice. It make a
Uh,
new high here.
new high, right. For this reason, I
Yes.
will go with buy.
Yes. What about others?
Same. I would go higher option as well because I've seen that trend line stop the momentum at the beginning.
Yes.
Then every time the bear is trying to hit that line, buyers enter immediately.
Yes. Yes.
So I would go with a higher option. I would expect a retracement candle
Very
at
good.
that level.
Very good. Okay. So as you all mentioned, okay. 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 So if you are not sure, Rajesh, you can wait. Rajesh, I don't know it is for this trade or for the previous trade. Okay, no problem. Okay, so as you all mentioned, this is a strong trend line. If you check here, a strong candle from this trend line, it was a sign that the SNR is strong. Again, if you check, there is a momentum, right? Again, if you check, it reversed the market so many times. So you can see it have all the points that we call a SNR is strong. So this is a strong one, okay? And you can see the market here, the candle made a new high as you mentioned. It couldn't engulf the buyers here. There is a rejection and it closed exactly at the trend line. So here we can trust and we can go for a higher option here easily, okay? So let me show you the next candle. Okay, and as you can see, there is a higher option, there is a bullish candle here, okay? So you can see with waiting we can trade easily and we can get very good opportunity, right? and and here you can see, okay, it is 10 minute, right? This market is just 10 minute, right? If you wait this 10 minute, okay, let's see how many trades we took here, okay? One trade was here, was this one, right? Another one was this one, okay? Because of this gap we couldn't trade here, okay? Again this one I think, but we should wait this one touch this one, okay? So we no need to count this one, we should wait this one touch the level again and then we can trade, okay? So we just leave this one, okay? So again we trade this one, again we trade this one, and again we trade this one, okay? 5 trades, right? In 10 minutes, only 10 minutes we placed 5 correct trades, and trust me, this is enough to you reach your daily targets. So please don't think like this when you open a chart. Don't think I need to place every candle, this one, this one, this one, let's go. No, not like this. You can see with waiting the market will give you the right opportunity and you can use it, make your money and leave, okay? So I will explain about the money management tips also in the future class, but here I just want to show you the patient is the key. You can see with patient we got some great opportunity and you can see we can make money easily, and it was only 10 minutes. I don't tell you wait for 15 minutes, 1 hour, 1 day. No, wait only for 2 or 3 minutes and you will get a clear opportunity. Okay, so in the tomorrow class we will talk about how to trade with SNR in trendy market. So if you have any question about this topic you can ask me. Do you have any question?
I have a
No,
question.
go Gustavo, go.
Yes.
Thanks. I have a question here about the. Where's the? this trade here said we should put it. I didn't get it much. Why?
We should what?
I didn't get much why you said you should place a trade here on this candlestick, on the green one.
Okay. Okay, let me check. This candle, right? This one?
Yes.
You mean why we place a higher option here?
Yeah.
Okay, let me explain you. Here you can see this level, this one. There is a level, right? If you check here, strong buyers here. So that's why we placed a higher option here.
Because it started the momentum.
Yes, it is a sign that the level is strong. And it is a level. In the ranging market, the market will respect the level mostly. Okay, so this seems a weak level, right? This one.
Yeah.
But you can see it respects.
Mm-hmm.
In ranging is different. Okay, that's why I made these separate topics: SNR in ranging and SNR in trendy market.
So in ranging, any single reversal we see in the chart,
We can expect, yes, when the market close at the when the market close at any level. If the weak level, leave it, okay? But if it's strong, you can place for a reversal. But you cannot expect here a continuation and you say because this was a weak level, I place a higher option. No, even a weak level in the ranging market can reverse the market. Okay, clear?
Yes. About broken levels, is it another class?
Yes, we will explain. Yes.
Uh-huh.
Okay,
Yeah,
so
I just want to thank you. Yeah, I just want to thank you because I didn't realize the importance of the trending lines within the ranging market. So
yes,
this is a new
yes.
information for me. So it's very great.
You're
So
welcome.
thank you.
You're welcome, man.
Yeah.
Yes, it is very important. Always check the market movement, market condition. What type of the market is this? Okay, so these are important. Okay, so if you don't have any question, we can finish this session. Okay.
Thank you, buddy.
You're
Have a
welcome.
good day. Bye bye.
You're welcome. Goodbye. Good night. Goodbye,
So
everybody.
there's a question in chat.
What is
Rajesh.
marginal safety? Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. So here you can see when, okay, let me explain you in this candle. The opening price is here, right? So when you want place with marginal safety, you want place a higher option on this candle, right? When the market come a little bit low and you place your trade here, you open trade here. If you open your trade here, you open your trade with marginal safety. Or here on this one, you want to place a lower option. The opening price is here. Wait, market go a little bit up like here and then open your trade. It is marginal safety, and if the market close as a bullish candle, it may close as a weak bullish, and because of your entry point you will win. Okay, so this is marginal safety. Okay, Rajesh. Okay, very good. Okay, so do you have any question? Okay, so we can end this session. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so good night, everybody. Goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Good night.